Now we will learn how to balance a chemical equation. Now the question is why we have to balance a chemical equation? Because according to scientist Antonio Lavoisier, the total mass can neither be created nor destroyed during any chemical reaction. So in any chemical reaction, the total mass of the reactant will be equal to the total mass of the products. So for this we have to balance a chemical equation. Now in this chemical equation you see that potassium chlorate is being decomposed into potassium chloride and oxygen, but in an unbalanced chemical reaction here you see 3 atoms of oxygen are there, whereas there are in the right hand side, in the product side, there are two atoms of oxygen. So we have to balance it by putting a number in front of it, that is called the coefficient. So as potassium and chlorine is in one atom each in the both left hand side, in the reactant side as well as in the product side, so it is not, there is no problem. But the problem is with oxygen, there are 3 atoms, and there in the right hand side, in the product side, there are 2 atoms. So by permutation combination method we have to balance it. So if I put here 2, here you see the number of potassium atoms will be 1 into 2 equal to 2. So in the right hand side we have to put also 2 in front of potassium chloride. So the number of potassium atom will be also 2. Here you see the chlorine atoms, total chlorine atoms will be 2. Here is 1, nothing means here is 1 into 2 equal to 2 chlorine atoms. So here also nothing means there is 1. So 1 into 2 equal to 2 chlorine atoms. Now here it is, in the case of the oxygen atom, there is 3 into 2, 6 oxygen atoms as reactant. So to make it 6, if I write 3 here, here you will see that 3 into 2 it will be 6. So all the atoms of the reactants and products are balanced here. Similar way, in this skeleton reaction, a number of hydrogen atom is 2. Here the number of hydrogen atoms is also 2, no problem. But here you see that 2 oxygen atoms are there. So if I want to balance it, if I write this way, nothing here means 1 is there, 2 into 1, 2 oxygen atoms are there. Now, but the problem is that here the number of hydrogen atoms has become 4, 2 into 2, 4. So to balance it, we have to put here 2. So 2 2s are 4. So here you see number of hydrogen atoms 4, here also 4, number of oxygen atoms 2. So here also 2 into 1, 2. So by this way they are balanced.